What is an exchange-traded fund, ETF? When investing your money, you've probably heard about ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. In this video, you'll learn all about ETFs and how they can benefit your investment portfolio. So, what is an ETF? ETFs can get bought or sold throughout the day and get traded on the exchange like a stock. Supply and demand in the market will fluctuate the price. Let's take a look at a few characteristics of ETFs. 1. ETFs are like eggs in a basket, but not all eggs are in one basket. Each fund varies with the types of eggs, how many eggs there are, and the basket varieties. ETFs consist of various stocks, shares, and bonds, grouped together and traded as a single unit. 3. ETFs provide you with a diversified portfolio, as they reflect the market as a whole based on their goals and rules. 4. ETFs often follow some index, e.g. S&P 500, which lowers the management costs. 5. ETFs don't always pay out dividends, but if a stock in your ETF does, they can reinvest it back into the fund directly. 6. ETFs are great for beginners, as the fund will take care of your money based on the publicly available rules. Like all investments, ETFs come with risks, so make sure you do your research before you start investing. Please share your own thoughts.
Remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.